Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Microsoft Office updating Office please wait a moment error or stuck loading update Office on your PC and how to fix this app. So just follow the instructions and try out these two methods that is going to fix your issue. So first one is all about you just have to go here in the search bar and you have to search for system configuration. Just search for system configuration and open this. Now from here you just have to tap on, or you just have to navigate to services. From here just click on hide all Microsoft devices and disable this first. Then click on hide all Microsoft Office. Then you just have to click on apply and go for OK. This is the first step. And once after that, try to restart your PC and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. This is the step one. And next is all about you just have to follow the instruction. So I'll be giving few codes in your description, so you just have to code 1 and code 2 as well as it. So you just have to copy paste the code 1, just copy paste the code 1, and this is the step 2 where you just have to go here in the search and you have to search for CMD command prompt. Just search for it and click on run as administrator, go for yes, and now you just have to copy paste it and press enter. And once after this it is all done, you just have to wait for it, and once it is all done you just have to paste and do the same procedure for copy paste code 2. And so let us do that part. So let it work over here. So just have to copy paste code 2 from the description, copy the code from the description and just this up, and it is all done. So okay, it is all done, right? So once it is all done, so you just have to go for the next one. Okay, so you just have to go for, okay, it is, so it is almost getting, so you just have to wait for it. So guys, once it is done, you just have to copy paste the second code and just press enter. And once it is done, you just have to close this and open your Word, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.